If you are frustrated with Google Chrome's slow loading times, this video is for you. Learn easy and effective solutions to speed up your Chrome browser and enhance your browsing experience. From simple tweaks to essential settings adjustments, we will guide you through the process step by step. Say goodbye to sluggish loading and hello to a faster, more responsive Chrome. Watch this video for quick and easy tips to optimize your browser performance and get back to seamless web browsing. Step 1. Clear browser cache and cookies. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data, and select Cached Images and Files, and Cookies and other site data. Step 2. Disable or remove extensions. Open Chrome's, then Extensions. Disable or remove unnecessary extensions that may be slowing down the browser. Step 3. Update Chrome. Ensure you are using the latest version of Google Chrome by going to Settings, then About Chrome and checking for updates. Step 4. Disable hardware acceleration. Go to Settings, then Advanced, then System and turn off Use hardware acceleration when available. Step 5. Reset Chrome settings. Go to Settings, then Advanced, then Reset Settings and click Restore settings to their original defaults to reset Chrome to its default configuration.